Are you tired of that annoying mouse pointer lingering on your smart TV screen? It can really ruin the mood when you're trying to enjoy a movie or show. Fortunately, there are several ways to deal with it, depending on the brand and model of your television. In many cases, the pointer will fade away automatically if you leave the remote alone. Try not touching any buttons for about half a minute and see if it disappears by itself. If waiting doesn't work, grab your remote and press either the back or exit button. On most smart TVs, this tells the system you're done with the cursor and it will vanish from the screen. Some TVs let you customize or even disable the pointer completely. Check under sections like System, Accessibility, Display, or Input. You may find options to reduce the cursor's visibility time or turn it off entirely. If your TV came with a motion sensitive or touch enabled remote, the pointer might be linked to its activity. Try repairing, resetting, or temporarily disconnecting the remote to see if that resolves the issue. A quick power cycle can work wonders. Turn off the TV, unplug it for about a minute, then plug it back in. This often clears temporary glitches that keep the pointer stuck on screen. If the problem persists, consult your TV's manual or reach out to customer support. Make sure you have your model number handy so they can guide you with instructions tailored to your device. If nothing else fixes the issue, performing a full reset may help, but remember, this will erase all your personalized settings and apps, so back up anything important first. By following these steps, you should be able to get rid of that unwanted cursor and go back to watching your favorite shows without distractions. So that's the end of today's video. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.